How many hours do you spend online every day? 2 hours, 4, maybe more. Now, think about this. Every single time you see an ad online, YouTube, Google, Instagram, someone is making money. A lot of money, actually. And it's not you. You're the one sitting there. You're the one giving your attention, but you get nothing. Google makes billions from it. Facebook makes billions from it. You get a targeted ad for something you already bought. But there's a browser called Brave that's trying to flip that. And yes, I know how that sounds. Sounds like one of those get paid to do nothing things that never actually work. But this one is different, and I'll show you exactly why. And exactly how much you can realistically expect to make, because the honest number is way lower than most people say. But for some people, it's still worth it. So Brave is just a browser, like Chrome, like Firefox. You install it, you use it, you browse the internet exactly like you always have. Nothing changes about how you use the internet. But two things are different from day one. First of all, Brave blocks all ads and trackers by default. Every website loads faster. No pop-ups, no following you around the internet, just cleaner, faster browsing. Honestly, even without the money part, it's still better experience than Chrome. Second thing, and this is why we're here, Brave has something called Brave Rewards. Instead of blocking all ads completely, Brave gives you a choice. You can opt in to see a small number of ads, and if you do, you get paid for it. Not the website, not Google. You get paid for it. That's the whole idea. Your attention has value. Brave is the first browser that actually lets you do that. So here's how it works in practice. This is the Brave browser. You can see that it is very similar to Chrome. Here's the button for it. This right here. You just have to click on it and then just activate your Brave rewards with this button here. You select your region here, and we're going to talk about that more. And from that point, while you're browsing normally, you'll occasionally see small notification ads pop up in the corner of your screen. Not videos, not pop-ups, not something interrupting what you're doing. Just a small notification. You can click it or ignore it. Either way, you still earn. Every ad you see earns you a small amount of BAT. This is basic attention token. That's the cryptocurrency Brave created specifically for this. Think of it as just the currency you get paid in. You earn it, it sits in your Brave wallet, and then you can cash it out, convert it to another crypto, or hold it. You can see on CoinMarketCap that it has almost 150 million market cap. Volume traded is more than $8 million in the last 24 hours. The current price is almost 10 cents per each one of these bats, but here you can see that within a year, it was almost 30 cents. But if you click on all button here, you can see that the highest price was $1.3 here and $1.5 here. From the ad revenue, you get 70%, and Brave keeps 30%. That's actually a decent split. Most platforms keep everything and give you nothing. But now here's the part that matters most. How much is BAT actually worth? Well, I've shown you the value, but it is not stable, all right? Just like any other crypto. When you cash out, I suggest that you convert that to dollars or USDT straight away. Don't just hold it and hope it pumps. Just take the money and move on, because it is really, really volatile. Okay, now real talk. Most people earn between $10 to $20 a month from Brave Rewards just from browsing. That's the honest average. Not $50, not $100 like some people say. $10 to $20. Now, before you close the video, stick with me, because there's more to it. The amount you earn depends on a few things. Where you live matters a lot. More advertisers target the US, UK, and Western Europe, of course, so those regions see more ads and they earn more. How much time you spend browsing matters as well, and how many devices you use matters. The last one is actually interesting. Brave works on your laptop, your desktop, your phone. You install it on all of them, enable rewards on all of them, and now you're earning from 3 places at once instead of 1. You're not doing anything extra. You're already using those devices. You just collect them from all of them now. But even then, honestly, the realistic ceiling for most people is around $20 to $40 a month across all devices. Some heavy users report more, but that's the real range. Is that life-changing? No. But here's the thing. You're not doing anything differently. You're just using a different browser. And if you're already online for hours every day, getting $10 to $15 a month even for zero extra effort is, well, genuinely free money. It's not fake free money. It is actually free. For some people, that covers streaming subscription. For example, Spotify, Netflix, whatever. For some people in certain parts of the world, that's actually meaningful, and there's nothing wrong with that. So it just depends on you. Now, I have to be honest about something that trips people up as well, because if I don't mention this, you're going to find out the hard way. To cash out your BAT, you need to connect a verified crypto wallet, either Gemini or Uphold. And this is where some people have had problems. There are real reports of users accumulating BAT for months, connecting their wallet for the first time and seeing their balance drop or disappear entirely. It doesn't happen to everyone, but it happens enough that you need to know about it. Set up your wallet early, connect it straight away, and don't let BAT sit unverified for months. Cash out regularly. Small and often is safer than letting it build up untouched. Here in the Brave browser, just click here, and then there's your wallet here. Click on the wallet button, and then you can use one of these two options here to set it up. The browser itself is solid. The wallet has some issues. Just go in there with that awareness. Now, here's where it gets more interesting. If you're someone who makes content or has any kind of online presence, Brave has this. They had a referral program before, but now it's closed. But now they've got this. It's called Brave Creators. Essentially, if you've got any kind of audience, you just have to create content, and this is how it works. Whatever the amount of BAT other people earn, they can give you those BAT tokens if you're one of their favorite creators. They can make a subscription to you, and then they will automatically contribute a set amount to you each month of those BAT tokens. Some people are comparing this to Patreon, and I think it's exactly that, just the Brave way. So, is Brave Rewards worth it? As a browser, yes, definitely. Absolutely. It's faster than Chrome, it protects your privacy, and it works exactly the same way. There's no reason not to switch. As an income source on its own, it's small. It's really small. We're talking a few dollars a month for most people. Don't go in expecting more than that. But here's the thing. You're not investing anything. You're not learning anything new. You're not trading your time. That's really important. You're just using a different browser, right? Just use different browser, and it pays you something for doing that. That is honestly rare. So yeah, just download it, turn on the rewards, install it on every device you have, convert your BAT to cash regularly, and don't obsess over the amount. It's a background thing. But don't get me wrong, maybe you live in a country where this amount of money could really mean something to you. But check the amount for the country where you're living. So yeah, something to have in the background. Just treat it like that, and it's one of the easiest passive additions to your day you'll ever make. Not a lot, but something. And for some people, that's exactly enough. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.